As a class, we have been working really hard at learning how to make predictions. We understand that we can make predictions before, during, and after reading any text. So this reading we are about to do helps us to summarize our understanding of making predictions. Are we ready? Let's begin. The title of this short story is Taste This. This is highlighted in the blue above. This has got me thinking. What's this title about? Why do you think so? Let's begin our read of the story.
Everyone is good at something. That was what Miss Lowen always said. But Jake was not so sure. He hated doing math. He wasn't much of a reader. He couldn't toss a ball. And he had no idea what he wanted to do when he grew up.
Let's stop there. Let's make a prediction about Jake. Do you think that Jake is good at something? What evidence will you use from the text, from your own experience, or from both to support your prediction? Let's continue.
His best friend, Charlie, was going to be a firefighter. Charlie knew what he wanted. It seemed he had always known. He was strong and smart, so he would probably pass all the tests. And his friend Kyle was going to be a teacher. Like his dad, Kyle loved math and was always winning contests. What am I good at? Jake wondered. What will I be someday?
Let's pause. What do you predict Jake is feeling right now? What evidence about Charlie or Kyle might you use to support your thinking? Let's continue.
Sometimes, after school, Jake visited his uncle at the restaurant where Uncle Mike worked. He liked to watch Uncle Mike stir sauces. He liked helping out.
What is something you like to do? Might you see yourself doing what you like to do for a career? Let's continue.
Sometimes he said things like, "This needs a little more pepper," when he tested Uncle Mike's recipes. He began to read cookbooks. "Let's try this," he'd tell Mike when he found something that seemed good. They experimented together. Jake got good at measuring. He learned to convert a recipe for 6 to a recipe for 10. He liked playing with ingredients. Instead of peaches, "Let's try pears in this cake," he would suggest. The school.
Let's pause. We can make predictions about what is occurring in a story. We can also make predictions about uses of words or unfamiliar terms used in the text. When the story reads, sometimes he said things like, "This needs a little more pepper," when he tested Uncle Mike's recipes. What do you think he refers to? Why do you think so? Now, pick a yellow highlighted word. Experimented, convert, or ingredients. What do you think this word means? What evidence from the text helps you to figure this meaning out? Let's continue.
The school food fair was coming up. Most students brought in things that their parents had made. Jake decided to try a recipe he'd made of pineapple pizza. At first, when he placed it on the table, some people said, "Yuck, that sounds awful." Then, one by one, some of his friends decided to try it.
Now that we have finished our story, we can still make some predictions from it. What do you predict the taste of Jake's pizza will be like? What makes you think so? Considering your predictions before the story and considering the title once again, the title is Taste This, what do you predict Jake will do in his future? What evidence will you use to support your prediction? And finally, do you think Jake realizes that he is good at something?